You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this country in South America. We'll be looking at how to say more country names that many mispronounce, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. In English, this is generally said as Venezuela, 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 but in Spanish in Spain, it would be said as Venezuela, Venezuela, so a B sound at the beginning, a th sound like TH for the Z, Venezuela. Now in the country itself, it would be said more as Venezuela, Venezuela, with a S sound as per the Z, where the Z is Venezuela, Venezuela, or in English, Venezuela, Venezuela. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.